In this video we are going to talk about top 10 interesting facts about Justin Bieber. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. The fact that Justin began his career as a child YouTube star who rose to prominence, that he has a soft spot for his younger siblings, that his relationship with Selena Gomez was rocky, #NeverForget, and the fact that he is, not so, secretly adored by everyone are just a few of the well-known facts about Justin. It's easy to lose sight of the fact that the people we see on television, in publications, and on social media are usually only a small fraction of the overall image. Please keep in mind that just because you recognize someone's name and have devoured their work does not imply that you are familiar with who they are, no matter how big of a fan you are of their work. Obviously, there are some things that should be kept private, or, in this case, kept from the general public's knowledge, and this is one of those things. Rather than painting a portrait of Justin Bieber that is unlike anything you have ever seen before, we are compiling a list of interesting facts about the artist in honor of his 21st birthday, which is tomorrow. Laughing, crying, and possibly cringing are some of the best ways to put a smile on your face. All of these actions have been carried out in the hopes of getting to know the Prince of Pop a little bit better. What if it makes you fall even more in love with him than you already do, rather than just a little bit more in love with him? It is preferable if you become accustomed to it first. Number 10. He has produced movies and he was arrested in 2014. Bieber's admirers were anxious that he had reached rock bottom after his arrest in 2014 for driving under the influence of alcohol, driving with an expired license, drag racing, and resisting police officers. In addition, according to celebrity gossip website TMZ, Justin had consumed some alcoholic beverages, been using marijuana, and taken some prescription drugs. He pleaded a guilty plea to the charges, was fined, and was later forced to participate in anger management sessions as a condition of his release. There were nearly 270,000 signatures on a petition to the White House, calling for his removal from the United States of America. This is not the end of the controversy surrounding Justin Bieber. Additionally, the artist was previously charged with one misdemeanor count of vandalism for allegedly egging the house of an adjacent neighbor, which resulted in his detention. Since 2014, it's been easy to infer that Bieber has changed and evolved into a different individual. As a producer for two of his concert movies, Justin Bieber, Never Say Never and Justin Bieber's Believe, and as executive producer for his upcoming docuseries Seasons, which will air in 2020, Justin has established himself as one of the most successful male vocalists of all time. And we have high hopes for him in a true Hollywood film that will come out sometime soon as well. His abilities are virtually unlimited. Number 9. Bieber's hair sold for thousands. As a result of his choice to shave off his distinctive hair in 2011, Justin sold it on eBay for $12,000, making him the highest-paid celebrity auctioneer in history. Whether you believe it or not, Bieber has taken advantage of the public's adoration for his legendary head of hair to raise money for humanitarian causes. The fact that some of his followers were willing to go to such lengths to support him as to shave their heads and auction it off for $40,000 is evidence of that willingness. Number 8. His Twitter statistics are crazy and Bieber speaks French fluently. Believers in France have reason to rejoice. Justin's French-Canadian mother hoped for him to maintain a strong sense of cultural identity. It is worth noting that Bieber attended a French-language immersion elementary school during his early years in Canada, which likely aided him in becoming fluent in the French language. It is likely that the people of Justin's own country would be delighted with him. According to Twitter, he presently has over 110 million followers, which is more than the whole population of Canada, which is little over 30 million people. What's even more bizarre is that it's actually true. After cutting his characteristic hair in 2011, the music singer lost more than 80,000 Twitter followers in a single day. Believers are willing to go to extremities to achieve their goals. Number 7. Will Smith is Bieber's mentor. He considers Will Smith to be his most important mentor, despite the fact that he admires other musicians like as Drake and Usher. It has been reported that while Justin Bieber was going through a rough patch, the famed actor drove to his home and dragged him out of bed for a 3-hour discussion. Because of this, according to Scooter Braun, Will Smith and Justin Bieber have been phoning each other once a week since then to talk about their troubles and vent out their frustrations with one another. If only Will Smith was a phone call away, we'd be in a much better state of mind. Number 6. His dad was an MMA fighter. A fascinating fact about Justin Bieber has come to light. In his previous life, his father competed in mixed martial arts. According to reports, Jeremy Bieber enjoyed his time in the ring during his fight. According to Radar Online, his ambition is to manage more fighters and even return to the ring himself. However, his son has chosen a very different career path than him. Number 5. Justin would have been an architect. Here's something you might not have known about Justin Bieber. If Justin hadn't grown up to be one of the most famous persons on the planet when he was younger, he would have become an architect. Isn't that outlandish? When asked what he would have wanted to do if he hadn't chosen music, he replied that he would have wanted to be a structural designer. This is due to the fact that he enjoys drawing, he claims. Number 4. Justin Timberlake and Usher battled to sign him. Yes, you are quite accurate. In response to the outstanding singing abilities of Justin Bieber, Justin Timberlake and Usher competed for his signature. Usher first turned down the opportunity to listen to Justin sing, but the rival's singer eventually warmed up to the idea and agreed to participate. According to Bieber, he actually watched my videos and said, "Man, I should have let this kid sing," and he then flew me back to Atlanta, according to an interview with MTV News. I was given the opportunity to perform for him, and then a week later, I had the opportunity to meet Justin Timberlake in person. I think they were both a little curious about me. When the bidding battle came to an end, Usher emerged victorious and signed the young talent to Island/Def Jam Recordings. I suppose we may give thanks to Usher for the blessing that is Justin Bieber's success. Number 3. His mom rejected his manager due to religion. Patty Millett, Justin Bieber's mother, was first apprehensive about allowing her son to sign with Scooter Braun, but she eventually came around to the idea. This was owing to Bieber's Jewish religious convictions, which he expressed publicly. According to the New York Times, her plea went something like this: "God, I entrusted him to you. You could send me a Christian man with a Christian label if you wanted to. If you wanted to, is it not your aim for Justin to be involved with this Jewish kid, as you have stated?" It was only after she had prayed with her church leaders and gotten their encouragement that she made the choice to let her son to record demo cassettes with Braun. Number 2. He was discovered on YouTube. As one of the early adopters of the internet, Justin was one of the pioneers of the media when he uploaded recordings of himself singing to YouTube in 2005. In order to get him noticed by record executive Scooter Braun and Chris Brown, his mother would constantly videotape him singing cover versions of songs by Ne-Yo and Chris Brown. This eventually led to him getting signed to a recording contract by Braun. When Braun discovered Bieber, he instantly offered him a recording contract, even though he was only 13 years old. This does not come as a surprise to me. Consider how fantastic he sounds in this recording. Number 1. Bieber's talent started from young. From the moment he was born, Justin Bieber was meant to be a star. He was already able to play the drums at the age of 2, as you can see in this gorgeous video featuring the Justice vocalist. His musical talents expanded to include the piano, guitar, and trumpet as he grew older. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.